Welcome back guys. In the last video, you learned how you can convert any given decimal number into any other base system. In this video, you are going to learn how you can convert any base system into decimal. So let's start the video. I'm taking any random number. Let's say first try with the binary. So I'm taking, let's say, 101.01. This is the binary number and we want to convert into the decimal. So let's learn the trick. This could be any other base system. Let's say this is n for now. So the general form is you need to write each digit like this. Let's say 1 multiplied by this n plus another digit 0 multiplied by this n and plus next digit, which is 1 multiplied by n, and here we have the decimal. So we will convert decimal here. So dot, at the end we will add to this number. We will say 0 multiply n plus 1 multiply n. One more catch is here, you need to start multiplying with the power of n actually. So before the decimal, right before the decimal, it will start from 0, then it will be 1, and it will be 2, and before 0 the power will be in the minus, so it will be -1 and -2. So yeah, this is a general form, and using this technique you can convert any given system to the decimal. So for instance, we have 2 in our example, so I will convert every n into 2. So I will say 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now the only part remaining is the mathematics, so we can say 2 to the power 0 is 1 and 1 multiplied 1 is again 1. So here we have plus 0 multiplied by anything will be 0, plus 1 multiplied 2 to the power 2, which is 4. Here comes a decimal, and 0 multiplied by anything will be 0, plus 1 into 2 to the power -2, which is 1 divided by 2 to the power 2, which is 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25. I hope you know the mathematics. So finally it is 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is 5. 0 plus 2, 5 is just 2, 5. So we got 5.25, and this is the decimal of this given binary. Now let's take one more example. This time I will take a number with the base, let's say 8, octal number. I will say 16.4. Yeah, this is a valid octal number. This is in base 8, and I want to convert in the base 10. So again, same thing, you know the drill. So let's start with the 6. I will say 6 multiply 8 to the power 0, plus then we have 1 multiply 8 to the power 1, decimal 4 multiply 8 to the power -1. Now the only thing is mathematics. 8 to the power 0 is 1, so 6 multiply 1 is 6, plus 8 to the power is 1, 8 to the power 1 is 8, and with multiply by 1 is 8.4 divided by 8, which is 0.5, and here we have 14 and here 5. So the number in decimal will look like 14.5. Simple. Now finally I will take one more example, which is in base 16 hexadecimal, so that we can cover all the major base systems. And this time let's say we have B8.T. I'm assuming you know what is this BD means. If not, let me explain quickly. I need to convert this number to the decimal. So in hexadecimal we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after that it starts A, then B, C, D, E, and finally F. So A represent 10, B represent 11, C represent 12, D represent 13, E represent 14, and finally F represent 15. So now you know B means 11. So let's start the drill. First I will take the 8. So 8 multiply 16 to the power 0 plus B multiply 16 to the power 1 dot D multiply 16 to the power minus 1. Now first let's write in the human readable form. So it will be same 8 multiplied 16 to the power 0. D is 13, so 13 multiply 16 to the power minus 1, and B is 11, so I will say 11 multiply 16 to the power 1. Now let's start the mathematics thing. So here the decimal 16 to the power 0 is 1, so 8 multiply 1 is 8 plus 11 into 16, which is 176. 13 multiply 16 to the power minus 1, which means 13 divided by 16, and it will be 0.8125. Now let's add up. It will be 184.8125. That's all. So this is the decimal representation of B8.T. So now you know how you can convert any number system into the decimal number system. The best part of learning or conversion in base 10 is that you can convert any number system to any other number system if you know the decimal part. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Do subscribe to Educators and share with your friends.